Hello. Sometimes you may need to change text color and sizes to match with your other changes like background color and layout related things. So today I'll describe how to change color and size of any particular text in the website. So if you want to change any text color and sizes, then you may need to add some CSS properties inside the custom.css file. We always recommend you to do the CSS specific changes inside that file because so that we can keep track on the changes which you are doing and which we already did in other files, so that in future if any issues are coming, then we can easily keep track on the changes and we can give you the solution as soon as possible. So for now I want to change this heading color, this header meta tag heading, wherever it is coming, say release year, debut, story, cast and crew. So in these places I want to change this text size and I want to change the color of the text. So for that we can inspect the element. So if we are inspect this particular element, then we will find this class name for which this text color is coming. So we'll check whether these CSS properties are responsible for this particular heading or not. I'll just change the color to something else. See, I change it to blue and it is reflecting everywhere wherever this meta tag is present. Here. So after that I want to change the font size of this text. So already font size is defined. Maybe I'll just increase it to little bit more. I'll increase it to 22 px. So see, it's reflecting here like this. So I have changed the color and also I have changed the font size of this text. So the next step is we need to copy this class name and we have to go to inside custom.css, which is present under CSS folder, and go to this end of the file here and we'll write our CSS code. So we have written the class name and along with that we will write the font size also, and we have changed the color also. So I'll just copy the color name and just paste it here. It's not copying. Let me just copy once again. So I have pasted the color code also. So now we will check whether it is reflecting in the front end like this way or not. I'll just save it. Then we'll just clear the website cache. Next we'll just go to the front end and just do the hard refresh 2 or 3 times to check whether the changes what we did in the custom.css file it is reflecting in the front end or not. So now it is reflecting. See, whatever changes we did, like we have changed the color and we changed the font size, so it is everything it is reflecting in the front end. Like this way you can add other properties also, like font family and font weight for this particular text, and you can add those properties inside the custom.css file. So if you have any doubt in future, you can always ask us and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.